Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 27th October 2025, Nifty Index opened on a positive note but failed to hold its opening levels and drifted lower throughout the day. Profit booking took some pause at 25,700 and witnessed some consolidation in the last couple of hours. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame with longer lower shadow, indicating buying is intact at the support levels. It formed a bearish candle on the weekly frame with long upper shadow and trimmed most of the early gains, but continues to form higher highs from the last 3 weeks. India Wix was down by 1.2% to 11.6 levels. Nifty put call ratio decreased to 0.76. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,300 to 26,200 levels, while immediate range could be in between 25,500 to 26,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 863 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 127 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 25%. Now Nifty has to hold above 25,700 for the next up move towards 26,000 and 26,250, while support can be seen at 25,600 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 57,500 for the next up move towards 58,000 zones, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 57,000 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Sammaan Capital, Hindalco, Nalco, Vedanta, Qmin's, Cholamandalam, HFCL and Voltas, while some weakness could be seen in HUL, Cipla, Kolpal, Max Healthcare, Glenmark and BHEL. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.